Kore, wan and disa ka turns confusion into a clear question.
Point at the object first.
Then ask Kore, wan and disa ka.
Nihongo EXP. Quest 11. これは何ですか?
Quest 11-1. Ask about an object. Kore, wan and disa ka asks what this object is. It works best when the object is visible.
これは何ですか? それは何ですか? あれは何ですか?
Quest 11-2. This, that, or over there. If the object is near you, ask Kore, wan and disa ka. If the object is near the other person, ask Sor, wan and disa ka. If the object is over there, ask our wan and disa ka. Make the object clear before you ask the question. Kore, Sor, and are changed by distance. For beginners, disa ka keeps the question polite and safe. Kore, wan, and disa ka asks what an object is. Doko disa ka asks where a place is.
Mini dialogue.
You point at an unknown item. Listen to the scene, then repeat once.
いらっしゃいませ。これは何ですか?
ビジブルオブジェクトプラスシンプルクエスチョン、これは何ですか? Quick check.
You point at an unknown item. What do you ask?
Correct.
A. Kore, wan, and disa ka. It asks what this object is.
これは何ですか?
Mistake clinic. Kore, wan, nanny can sound too casual in a service scene. Mistake clinic. Kore, wan, nanny can sound too casual with staff. Kore, wan, and disa ka is safer for beginners.
これは何ですか?
Battle start. 3 question scenes to clear the quest. Question 1. You point at an unknown item near you. What do you ask? Answer. A. Kore, wan, and disa ka. It asks what this is.
これは何ですか?
Question 2. The item is over there. What question fits? Answer. A. Our wan and disa ka. Our points to something over there.
あれは何ですか?
Question 3. You need the location of the bathroom. What do you ask? Answer. A. Tuarwa doko disa ka. It asks where the bathroom is.
トイレはどこですか?
Today's rule. Point first. Then ask simply. Final shadowing. Listen, repeat, then one more time.
これは何ですか? 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 これは何ですか?
Nice.
You cleared Quest 11.
Next quest, どこですか? Ask where it is.
Subscribe to keep leveling up.